nga dun sa gilid.
Alam mo, tinignan ko yung hinawak-hawakan ko. Hindi ko nakapasig.
Hi! 2:24 Saturday. May laboy na naman kaming mag-anak. And kasama namin ang mga witches.
Sabi
And
mo namin.
magkikita kami somewhere else. And then laboy na tayo. Kasama natin ulit ang kasama ko, si Gabi. And welcome to our vlog. Alam nyo ba, akala ko nawala ang aking
Malit na tayo kung malit na.
balik pa kami. Kasi alam ko, akala ko nakulog ang camera. Kinabahan naman sa opera. Pero nandito pala sa likod. Hindi mo kasama namin. Dito na sila.
Pre, una ka, sunod ako ah.
Okay, sige, sige.
Pero daw tayo McDo pag may McDo.
Okay.
Tabi tayo.
Okay, sige, sige.
Hey guys.
Alis na po kami.
Woohoo! We're complete.
We're complete. Oh, magmakdo.
Oh, it's gonna be a good day when I see you coming down the road. Oh, it's gonna be a good day on the highway of my beating soul.
akong dala dyan eh, pork stick.
Pero ito naman yung ulam, pambukas na lang tayo. Bukas. Almusal.
Ngayon ako kami kaya may silang mandi.
Hi guys! Good morning! Namimili si Sir.
Well, it's alright. Yeah, it's alright. Call it amazing. You wanna do right by me. We know we are facing. Yeah, I wanna do right by you. We call it amazing. You wanna do right by me. We know we are facing. Yeah, you wanna do right by you. Call it amazing. Hey, call it amazing.
Hi guys, we're here.
We're finally here! Soon, we will have the Farrell Talk.
Kasi lang ako smooth. Smooth lang. Lagi na. Pat! Buti na lang antayin nyo.
May mga fish dito!
Dito na kami uli sa Camp Gilmore. Kasama ang Bad Company. Kakadating lang namin dito. It's 8 in the morning. Kakain muna kami almusal. Almusal brunch na yan siguro. Yan, kain tayo! At mamaya pala meron kaming i-unbox ang bagong tent ng aming campit bahay. Ang aming campit bahay ay magbagong tent. Pakita ko sa inyo saglit. Ayan, mamaya i-unbox namin. Hi!
Bless us, O Lord, with the gift which you are about to receive when you are about to Amen.
Paano ang tent nyo? Ah, dito ang entrance nyo? Yes.
Oh, kadyan kayo.
Okay na. Hindi na ako magsiset na ano. Okay.
Ganda lang.
Here.
Ganda lang ganyan.
Set up na muna kami ng tent. Pakita namin sa inyo after namin ma-set up. Akalat pa, nag-set up pa rin yung aming mga campit bahay. Campit bahay number 1, campit bahay number 2. The Bandoquillo family and the Manuel family. Set up. Yan lang. Off! Ang aming campit bahay ay mayroong bagong nature hike.
Okay, gay.
At ito naman ang aming pangalawang campit bahay.
May sinasabi ito.
Putal kasi kami.
Ang liliit niyo daw, ang lalaki ng tent.
Sila ang lalaki nila, lead ng tent. Raulo ka.
Wala yung lalaki.
Family here, our bed. This is the nature hike. Nagpalit kami kasi pumutok na yung dati namin ano. Yung ano na, yung pole na magagamit nyo. Kasi yun yung ginamit namin
Wala
eh.
na siyang isang pole. Ito.
Isa lang yan.
Okay.
At yun na lang yung setup mo para parehas tayo.
Lalakayan nga natin yung ano natin.
Ha?
Okay lang, para lahat.
Parehas tayo.
Natiklop ko na eh. Kala ko dyan may toto. Sa bag. Oh, automatic mag-stop yan.
Talaga?
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Sino nga? Okay na ba?
Mamaya pa. May...
Laki! Patingin. Ang laki! Bago lang to. Wow! Kakulan. Mighty. Alam mo na sabihin mo, King!
Ito, pang ano to, pang mga freestyle to.
Ako, freestyle na yan.
Cold inside, tore my mind, stole my peace. I prayed for ease but feared that my days were over. That emptiness is hard to pass. To fill that gap, you need to open up. All your days are over. But you sent your light.
Matapos yung mga pag-ibig. Dito, yung mga misis nandito naliligo. Tapos yung mga asawa nagluluto. Walang yung mga misis, baliktad na eh, no? Sila na yung mga naglaliligo lang nag-relax eh.
Sabi nga sila eh. Buti na lang natapos sila sa ano.
Cooking, oh.
Cooking master boy. Di ba?
Yung dami yan. Meron pa kaming takoyaki dito. Grabe, may takoyaki kami dito. Ano yan?
Swerte na.
Ayun, oh, pwede nyo ilagay ito, oh. Crab. Sabi malakas. Ano pa? Takoyaki. Boom!
Para bumili sa ano, ganun lang din, pamahal pa doon. Okay?
Uy, ang tulak! Mag-summer. Nandito tayo. Tapos yun na. Ah, yan na, maghiwalay na.
Init. Bawi ah.
Sarap.
Bakit yan?
Ma-cheesy, ano? Baka mainit yan, ah. Go. Kaya yan.
Bawi ah.
Oh! Oh!
Ang sarap!
Mura lang yung ano, mura lang yung mix. Parang makakaano ka.
100, set na yun. Yung pan na.
May pa na yung ano. Yung
Shawsh!
Ba, hindi ka nag-sunblock naman muna yung alam mo.
Turog na yun si Gabi.
Electric pan.
Electric pan.
Alam mo, di ba namin nugasan yung kutsara namin?
Oh.
Ayun o.
Next batch, after takoyaki.
Oh my God.
Samgip naman po kami.
Na.
Ganito po talaga kami mag-camping.
Oo.
Food trip.
May suko kayo?
Si Campit Bahay 1 and
Meron
Campit
pa ba?
Bahay 2
Wala kaming
with WRG Adventures.
I look so hot, girl. I'm so sorry. Three.
Ilang beses na
Na talaga siya guys. Ayaw na makuha guys.
Malaki ba tapon?
kami. Ano?
Like a drug that I just can't deny, giving me the best high. My body's shaking, shaking every time you get into my mind. Like a fire, burning wild in my heart. Take me far away in the dark. Only you can show me how to come alive. I feel shivers down my spine. I've been waiting for a long time, so I need to make you mine. Think I want you in my bloodline. I feel shivers down my spine. I've been waiting for a long time, so I need to make you mine. Think I want you in my bloodline, in my bloodline. The sun is rising, but I don't wanna stop. I can never get enough. 'Cause you bring out all the best in me. You're the one who holds the key. Like a fire, wild in my heart. Take me far away in the dark. Only you can show me how to come alive. I feel shivers down my spine. I've been waiting for a long time, so I need to make you mine. Think I want you in my bloodline. I feel shivers down my spine. I've been waiting for a long time, so I need to make you mine. Think I want you in my bloodline, in my bloodline. Want you in my bloodline.
Hello, kumusta mga pamilya dito? Kumusta mga pamilya dito? Hoy, bakit nandito ka sa taas? Hoy, bakit nandito ka sa taas? Boy, akin na. Kumakanta kayo kita. Ako na ba? Sa'yo. Busog ako.
Hindi, kumain ka.
Busog na ako, ma.
Kaya nahati tayo. Akin yung gulay. Akin yung
Oh, hi. Good night lang po sa ating lahat. Napakasarap or napakagandang araw na nangyari ngayong club ngayon. Kasama natin aming kapitbahay na si Lauro and the Pandukilio and the Manuel family. And the Velarde family, of course. Ayun, hindi kami naubusan ng food. Ang sarap ng mga food na hinanda ng bawat isang pamilya. Kahit parang hindi ako naghanda ng food. Pero ang sarap ng mga food na niluto nila. Like, kami pala yung naghanda ng samgyup. Nag-samgyup kami, nagtakoyaki, nagsinigang, at marami pang iba. Mga baon uli kami. Bukas hindi namin alam kung anong food pa namin mga natira. Good night to all. Mga kampit bahay, good night. Good night. Good night. Gab, good night. Good night.
the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me. Alone without being lonely, getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do. I ain't over you. I ain't over. I ain't over. No matter what I do, I ain't over you. Give it time, things will settle. Just a face is better, yeah. Heard it all before. Even though we were toxic, feels the most when you've lost it. That's just how it goes. I'm still feeling lonely. Can't get back to the old me. I was stuck in way too deep. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do. I ain't over you. I ain't over. I ain't over.
Alam niyo bakit? Alam niyo bakit?
No matter what I do, I ain't over you.
Ako to guys.
I ain't over. I ain't over. No matter what I do, I ain't over you. Ain't over you. Ain't over you. No matter what I do, I ain't over you.
Alright, tapos na kami swim na lang kami. Tapos na kami magligpit ng aming mga tent, ang aming campit bahay 1 and 2, ang Manuel and Bandokillo family with WRG Adventures. Naghihintay. Nagre-relax na lang kami. Itinira lang namin ay itong nag-iisang awning just to protect us from the heat while eating our last samgyeopsal meats before going home, and then the takoyaki.
Paren, takoyaki master.
Takoyaki. Isang takoyaki master.
Takoyaki.
Magsiswim-swim na lang kami kasi nakaligpit na kami, and then pakaway na mamaya. Papatuyo ng onting mga nabasang gamit. And that's it. Kain tayo.
No! Perfect!
And by the way, ito ang kanilang ano dito. Kaya salamat po. Uwi na po kami. Hi. Then there's the other family. And then bye Camp Gilmore. Bye mga kuyas. Bye Camp. bye. Bye guys. Mat sala.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Hi guys.
Bye ka na.
May pang tigilan mo yung pang. Bate mo.
Bye guys.
Ay, sus, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, Par. Bye-bye.
Par, salamat Par.
Thank you, Par.
Thank you.
Ah, sige, next time. Ingat ka, ingat.
Hindi na kayo hindi Par.
Hindi, akin pala to. Yan eh.
Hindi pinakawalan
Okay.
Par.
Bye.
Next time.
Yes, thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for the safe ride, for the provision, for the cold weather. We requested talaga na umuulan and God granted our wish. And we're so happy to spend the weekend with them again. Grabe, wala tayong ginawa kundi kumain, mag-swimming, kumain, and then repeat. And look at my Gabi, she's so happy. Yung han ko pagod na, but masaya yan.
Masaya kaya WRG Adventure. Peace out!